What's the meaning of coherence? Coherence. Coherence.
Coherence. Coherence. Coherence refers to the quality of being logical, consistent, and connected. In simpler terms, it means that all the parts of a piece of information or argument fit together in a clear and understandable manner. A coherent text or speech is easy to follow and doesn't contain contradictions or confusing statements. Achieving coherence is important in many fields, such as writing, public speaking, and scientific research. It helps ensure that the message or argument conveyed is effective, credible, and persuasive to the audience.